Zumba, dance your way to fitness. If you're looking for a fun and effective way to improve your health and well-being, Zumba is the perfect choice. Hey everyone, Julianne here. I'm here to show you how Zumba can turn your workout routine into a dance party. Want a fun way to get in shape? Try Zumba. It's a mix of dance moves and aerobic exercises that guarantee a complete workout session. It's dance and exercise together. Zumba is good for your heart and your body. Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress and boost your energy. It's for everyone, regardless of your fitness level. Let's move. Join us and discover how Zumba can be a transformative and fun experience. 5 minutes to rock it. Your Zumba Quickie Workout. Short on time? No problem. This 5-minute Zumba workout is perfect. We'll warm up and then dance salsa, reggaeton and cumbia. Finish with freestyle dancing. Ready? Let's go. Warm up. Get moving. First, let's warm up. Take a step to the side, swinging your arms. March in place with your knees high. Make circles with your hips. Feel your body getting ready to move. Latin rhythms, high-energy salsa, reggaeton, and cumbia. Get ready for a vibrant journey through the most electrifying Latin rhythms. Let's start with salsa, a dance full of passion and energy. Salsa time. Take a step forward, back, and to the sides. Feel the music and let your body flow with the movements. Salsa is about connection and expression. Swing those hips. Next up, reggaeton. This style is known for its intense movements and contagious beats. Let the energy of reggaeton take over. Feel the beat, move your hips and chest. Finally, cumbia. Cumbia is a traditional dance that brings joy and liveliness. It's impossible not to smile while dancing cumbia. Basic steps, lots of hip action. Cumbia is about fun and celebration. Let yourself be carried away by the rhythm and enjoy every moment. You are dance stars. Show your talent and shine on stage. Every move tells a story, and you are the protagonists of this incredible journey. Let loose and feel the joy-free dance finale. Last minute. This is the moment everyone has been waiting for. The energy is in the air and everyone is ready to give their best. Let's make this finale unforgettable. Free dance, move however you want. Jump, spin, let loose. There are no rules, just the freedom to express yourself through movement. Feel the music and let your body flow with it. Every step is a celebration of life. This is your time to shine. Amazing work, everyone. You guys are rocking it. The confidence and joy you bring to the dance floor are contagious. Keep it up, showing your best. Did you like it? Share this workout. Zumba is about community and fun. Let's dance. Don't forget to invite your friends to join us next time. The more, the merrier. Dance is a universal language that unites everyone.